Saturday, November 26, 2022. High wind warnings kick off Black Friday weekend in Los Angeles. The Black Friday weekend in LA is kicking off with high wind warnings. Santa Ana winds are expected to bring strong gusts that could potentially down power lines and spark fires. Residents are being urged to use caution when shopping or doing other activities outdoors. The winds could also pose a risk to people who live in areas prone to wildfires. Santa Ana winds, the infamous, often devastating winds that mark a distinctly California season, tend to bring havoc when a dome of cold, high-pressure air develops over Nevada and the Great Basin area. This high pressure forces the air to spread in all directions, including over the mountains and towards Southern California. Temperatures are expected to cool across the region by Sunday, with temperatures in the mid-60s and lower 70s. There is also a chance for light rain Monday and Tuesday of next week. Have fun shopping this weekend. The law offices of Omar Zambrano knows that everyone loves free coffee. We are giving away free Starbucks gift cards when you retain us as your attorney. So if you love coffee, give us a call today for a free consultation at 626-338-5505 and retain our services for your free Starbucks gift card.